Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find languages and input, which should be on the personal section. So let's tap on it. Now let's enter the languages on the very first position, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Spanish right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language right here. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to... Okay, that was an accident, so let me enter it again. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it, as you could see. So let me pick, for example, the Netherlands. Just tap on it. And wait, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our list, but still the whole system is in the English language. So all you have to do is make sure that the language you'd like to set will be on the very first position, because there we've got the main language. So right now we have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And let's wait a second. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system and the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case in the Netherlands. And let me actually change it to the English. Let me show it to you again. So just find the language, for example the second one, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it also immediately actually changes. Of course, you can remove those languages from this list, because for some reason you don't need them and you don't have to have faster access to them, because you do not change language so often. So all you have to do is just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's do it, and tap on remove. Now we have to mark all of those which we'd like to remove, so I will remove all of them actually, and tap on this trash bin icon in the right upper corner also. Now let's confirm with OK. And as you can see, we are left with only English language, so it means that we successfully removed them. Of course, you can find them in the list after tapping on add a language. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.